no lines. Well, it's 8:01 right now. But still, no lines. Awesome. It just opened. Guys, we've never gone to the left before. We're going outside? We're going outside? What in the world?
Hey,
Daddy doesn't want to go outside. But we're going to the left. And
oh, the tram's just right there.
Yep.
Oh yeah, we've never been in this one.
We've never been to, because we've never been this early before. We usually only go what, after school and after school. Yes.
After school and after.
Okay, guys, we had to walk because one of the trams were stuck, I guess. But look, no one's here now. But there's a herd right behind us. Let me see, they're over there. But yeah. Alright, so pretty. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be really hot today. I think in the 90s. That's totally not fall weather, guys. Going to Tomorrowland. We're headed over to Space Mountain. Get a fast pass and probably, depending on how long the wait is. If not, we'll probably wait in Star Tours. There's Matterhorn. The line is only 15 minutes and we got a fast pass. You guys, let me show you the fast pass. Fast pass is for $9.25. What, Nathan? Yeah. Do you remember when that was? A long time ago. So there's no line. Yay! So excited. Space Mountain.
Space Mountain is a thrilling, high-speed, turbulent roller coaster type ride in the dark, heading through the sharp turns and sunset drops.
Alright, we're already next. Say hi! Leia! Say hi, Leia!
Roller coaster type ride in the dark, heading through the sharp turns and sunset drops.
Oh, there. Alright, we're going to Star Tours next. It's a 10-minute wait. 10-minute wait, Star Tours.
All ready to take off?
Yeah.
Make sure you have your seatbelt on, please.
Everybody got their seatbelt? Everybody got their seatbelt? Alright guys, we just finished with Star Tours. Tita went to go get fast passes to Indiana Jones and we're headed over to Matterhorn and they're gonna meet us there. So much fun. So the Star Tours, the ending was new. So that was pretty cool. Or I haven't seen it yet. So yeah. So we'll see you at Matterhorn.
No.
What's that, baby?
That's no mountain.
Right here. The Matterhorn. Alright, so the line's only like 5-10 minutes, so we're gonna just ride it twice. Because Tita still went all the way to Indiana Jones, so we'll just ride it again with her. So yeah, that'll be fine. You ready, Leia?
Not see passing down.
Oh, the light of the TV. Oh, that way. I would get in line with all.
Alright, going for our second time.
Now ready for your intergalactic adventure. Thank you and have a great life.
Alright, Daddy said he did something to the picture. I don't know what he did. What? Where is it? Where? Right, passing by the castle. It's so pretty. It's getting hot, guys. It's only, what time is it, Sarah? Like 10:30?
Yeah.
And it's getting pretty warm. What Daddy's doing. All the flowers are wilting. Here are the pumpkin, carved pumpkins. Right, heading over to Frontierland to ride Big Thunder Mountain. It's still not as busy, but I'll probably get busy in a little bit. It's still 10:30 right now. Alright, 10 minutes wait to Big Thunder Mountain. Nathan's obsessed with Rubik's Cube. Alright guys, that was so much fun. I actually recorded on Instagram stories, so I didn't really film here. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram because I have, I post on the stories once in a while. So yeah, it was so much fun. Alright guys, everybody's headed over to the Haunted Mansion.
Whoa.
I don't know how long the wait is now. Oh, everybody's taking pictures. Let's go see. It's probably gonna be long. 25 minutes wait for the Haunted Mansion. Measure Leia at the sign, see how tall she is. Indiana Jones. Let me see Leia. Woo, yay! Leia's first time, Indiana Jones. So excited. Fast pass. Leia, wants a pickle at Tropical Import. So good. We're gonna go to California Adventure right now, guys, because we're gonna eat at that Mexican restaurant. Because I want some tacos, even though we had burrito and tacos yesterday. She got her pickle. Let's go eat California Adventure, guys. We're gonna go. Goodbye, Disneyland. So pretty. Goodbye. We're headed over to California Adventure.
Oh, there's that heat, bro.
Hey guys, heading over to Disney California Adventure. There's hardly any line. Hopefully it's not too busy in there. We're only gonna be riding a couple rides because we're gonna go head over to Snow Monster to get some dessert for the kids. But right now we're gonna get some lunch. Doesn't look too busy. Alright guys, so Leia got quesadilla and rice. Sarah got the burrito. Sarah and Nathan got the burrito. The Sonoma, I believe. And then me and Eden got chicken, tacos. And then there's chicken inside there. So we're gonna eat now. Yum. Alright, first time watching the Frozen show. And we are lining up for the balcony. So it's gonna be a full house today, that lady said. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how packed it is. We're gonna go up the stairs to the balcony and I'm gonna show you how everybody looks right now. So that is everybody that's going to watch Frozen. So packed. Alright guys, we're at the balcony, going down. Ooh, so pretty.
Yeah, why?
Do you think you could show us the way?
Yeah. Why?
I'll tell you why. We need Elsa to bring back summer.
Summer! Oh, I don't know why, but I've always loved the idea of summer and sun and all things hot.
Really? I'm guessing you don't have much experience with heat.
Then I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer. Ah, a drink in my hand, my snow up.
Strong teeth! Yes, she'll do nicely for our Crystal. Not. Why are you holding back from such a man? Is it the clumpy way he walks?
What a grumpy way.
Alright, we're hopping into Monsters Inc.
Okay, all backpacks off.
Right, Leia.
Come on, this way.
Alright guys, so this is going to be our last ride for today. We have a fast pass for $3.40. It's I think $3.30 right now. So, and my friend is here, and I'm going to give her Eden and Leia's ticket. So I'm trying to look for them. I told them to meet in the front. Alright, so we'll see you inside. Alright, we're inside. This is the blackout. Oh my gosh! We gotta take a picture of that.
Nope.
Alright, goodbye California Adventure. Guys, look at the line for the Mickey's Halloween party. It's a long line and it's empty over here. So much fun today. It's 4 o'clock and we're leaving. Yay! We're gonna go to Snow Monster now. Alright guys, we are at Mini Monster at the packing house. So cute. Alright, Mini Monster. That one's good. Kids love their new boba cups, Mini Monster cups. Let me see, Nathan, that's pretty cool. Where's the cover to it? He's cleaning it up because it had the, what is that called? Cotton candy. But it's so nice over here, guys. Look how pretty it is. So pretty. Alright, and then here's dinner. It's avocado roll for Eden. Yum.